Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be using these patterns to create a card case wallet. Card case wallets that can carry your cards, your credit cards, and all your cards. And I will be creating that with these pieces of leather. You can always reuse your leather. There's never a waste with when it comes to leather craft. And this wallet should be able to carry 6 cards. Six cards. So sit back and enjoy this video. To make it equal and smooth before burnishing. Just going very well. Yeah. To find it very well to make sure it's smooth and apply my wax. Actually, I use the bee wax for a good burnishing. So I burnish with my burnishing tool. Apply that force for friction to give you that smooth, shiny edge. So yeah, it's ready. Our card case is ready. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting contents coming up. Thank you. Bye.